Hello, my name is Annie. Welcome to the Teach Infinity 2 User Guide Training. Page 3. Teach Infinity 2 offers intuitive interface under Windows, Mac, and Linux platform. Plenty education resource for lesson preparation and easy-to-use tools to engage students across the lesson. Intuitive UI design, math, physics, chemistry tools, handwriting, drawing recognition, screen annotation, recording and playback. 3 steps to get ready with Teach Infinity 2. Step 1. Select Teach Infinity 2 installation file for different OS platform. Page 4. Step 2. Install Teach Infinity 2. Step 3. Connect PC to projector and touchscreen with VGA HDMI for image and USB for touch control. Page 5. Software functions. Double-click the program icon to initiate the software to have following main window. There are 2 major interfaces under Teach Infinity 2. A. Preparation mode. B. Teaching mode. Preparation mode. Once you launch the software, you will be under preparation mode in following page. Page 6. Under menu, there are options to create course, open file, save file, import file, export file, print, send by mail, shortcuts, open from cloud disk, save to cloud disk, setting, help and exit. Subject, provide 3 subjects, math, physics, chemistry. Users can switch software subjects according to his/her teaching. File. Click on File menu, pop up as shown, save. Users can save current edited course. The format default is HHTX. Save as. The course can be saved as HHTX. New file. Newly build course, open. Courses of HHT and HHTX formats can be open. Import. Course can be imported. The import format is PPT, PDF, DPS, IWB, Smart. Export. Current course can be exported as files of PPT, PDF, Word, PNG, HTML, XLS formats. Print courses of HHT and HHTX formats can be open. Send by email. Current course of 3 formats, including PPT, HHTX, PDF, can be sent by email. Shortcuts. Users can add applications requiring 1 key to open or files of any formats for later edit. Website URL can also be added under shortcut function. Page 7. Setting. Users can set software language, courses text default font and size, drawing frame color and thickness, fill color, software background color during teaching, auto saving time during course edit. 5 points erase. User defined default background. 23 language to support. Help. Check currently installed software version and user manual via help button. User manual. Exit. Users can click on menu's exit software button to close it. Page 8. Users can use various subject tools to combine with experiments or assist in knowledge points description and explanation. After users switching to the subject on the menu, the subject tool icons will be switched to corresponding subject applicable tools. Click on a subject tool. The tool will be inserted into the whiteboard page. Its initial position will be in the Canvas center. Several tools can be added via user's continuous click. The user can click on Canvas region or exit button to close the pop-up window. If the nail button is pressed, the pop-up window will be fixed on the page, allowing the user to switch between Canvas and pop-up window, and the pop-up window will not disappear. The tools under each subject are shown by category. Click on one, the rest hidden. Page 9. Tools. Provide a wealth of common lesson-giving tools assisting in teaching. Compass. Single click on Compass button, the user can draw circle and arc with radius adjusted. Click the red circle and rotate to complete the drawing. 30-60 set square. Single click on 30-60 set square. The drawing can be complete along the set square's edges. Page 10. Ruler. Single click on ruler button. The drawing can be complete along the ruler's edge. Click on to change the length. 45-45 set square. Single click on 45-45 set square button. The drawing can be complete along the set square's edges. Protractor. Click on protractor button to draw angle or arc. Click on to switch to drawn angle. Arc is shown as right figure A1. Angle is shown as right figure A2. Page 11. Spotlight. Click on Screen Keyboard button to bring up System Screen Keyboard and click to use. Magnifier. Single click on Magnifier button to achieve local magnification effect. The user can magnify local content in the window via magnifier. The magnification effect can be achieved via clicking on Circle button. Click on Green button to close magnifier tool. Curtain. Single-click on Curtain button to produce blocking effect for the entire page, allowing the viewer to focus on unblocked content. Single-click on Curtain's corner anchor to adjust curtain size. Click on Reset button. The curtain will back to the initial status. Click on Region Cover. The user can set curtain R. Click on Setting. The user can select other pictures as curtain background. Page 12. Screen Keyboard. Click on Screen Keyboard button to bring up System Screen Keyboard and click to use. Calculator. Click on Calculator to bring up System Calculator to achieve calculation. Clock. Click on Clock button to display the tool, which can be switched among the clock, stopwatch, and timer. The default is clock status. Click on Stopwatch to enter stopwatch counting as shown on the right figure, which shows 28 seconds and 7 milliseconds. The needle starts rotation and timing upon the start. The Start button turns to stop status. Press the Timing button to show current time. When the Timing button is under press status, click again on Timing button to lift it and continue timing. Click on Stop button to stop timing, and the needle resets. Click on Timer. The user can set the countdown with 60 minutes cycle at most. The dialing accuracy is minute. The unit under countdown status is second. As shown below, there are 9 minutes and 50 seconds left. Page 13. Screen Capture. Screen Capture button. The user can achieve current screen content capture. Single-click on the button to capture the entire screen displayed on the current page, and then drag the mouse on the page. The full screen captured by the user will be shown. Region Capture. Single-click on Region Capture button. The user can select the rectangular region required to be captured via dragging across the screen. Irregular Capture. Single-click on Irregular Capture button. The user can select the region of arbitrary shape required to be captured. Record. Click Record icon in Tools. You may record screens. 1. Start record function after chosen recording device. Save to default path. Users can set fixed shortcut by themselves. 2. Press to stop record. Page 14. 3. Then you can save the file as MP4 and you can change the file name as well, as shown in figure below. Visualizer. The user can bring up Visualizer and make some settings, shown from left to right in sequence as Start, Finish, Switch, Photo, Open, Close Top Light, Open Close Bottom Light, Zoom In, Zoom Out, Auto Zooming, Resolution Change, Full Screen, Close Full Screen, Exit. 3D Tools. An easy way to choose 7 different kinds of 3D image for editing in different angles. Page 15. Mind Map. An easy way to brainstorm thoughts and ideas. Reverse card. Creating questions and answer, front and back, by image or wording. Select menu. Circle any object on the page to select the object. Click on the object's upper right corner. The execution menu will show to provide various edit and management function of the object to the user. Pen box. There are various kinds of pens in the pen box. The user can set the content such as pen thickness, shape, color as below. Page 16. Smooth pen. Imitate the writing notes of smooth pen like pen, ballpoint pen, chalk. The default is smooth pen writing status. You can select pen color, thickness, solid, or dotted line. Pen thickness is from 1 to 30. Intelligent pen. Intelligent pen can intelligently identify users' hand-drawn images, such as line, angle, triangle, and provide different control points for different images. Can adjust image shape. User can adjust pen color, thickness, while setting identification time, including 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. The default is 2s. Highlight pen. Imitate highlight pen effect. User can select pen color, thickness, transparency. Laser pen. Laser pointer's writing traces keep flashing. After user proceeds to next operation, laser pen notes will disappear. Brush. Imitate brush writing traces. The user can draw the tip and light, heavy, slow, fast writing traces. User can select pen color, thickness. Gesture pen. User can make various gesture operation on the page using gesture, mainly including next page, previous page, region erase, object selection, spotlight, magnifier. Handwriting recognition. After user selects it, the software can make intelligent recognition. User can set color, bold, underline, italics, alignment way, and set font size, etc. Texture pen. User can select some system-provided images for handwriting, can adjust pen thickness ranging from 1 to 30. Bamboo pen. Imitate Tibetan, Arabic handwriting effect. User can select pen color, thickness also, can set pen tip. Stamp pen. User can select some provided images for input, such as trophy, smiley face, like, red flower. Also, can set pen thickness. Page 17, Delete menu. Provide various delete tools shown from left to right in sequence as eraser, region eraser, clear notation, slider clear, the size of which can be adjusted by the user. Shape menu, insert. The menu can insert text box, media, table, and GeoGebra math tool. The menu provides the user a variety of insertable images such as circle, oval, rectangular, square, arbitrary triangle, regular triangle, line segment, arrow, dotted line, paint bucket, and the user can set their borderline color and fill color. Further, a separate fill tool is provided as shown. Insert table. After inserting the table edit function including delete, table sizing, line style, field color, etc. can be applied via the right menu. Page 18, Undo. Undo last operation, redo. Redo last operation undone or deleted. Zoom. User can select 3 kinds of display. Zoom in, zoom out, suitable for the screen. Move. User can execute move operation via long press and drag. Previous slide. Thumbnail. Next slide. Slide setting. User can simply change the background setting, color, image, and slide effect. Page 19. Presentation mode. Enter. Give lesson. User can. 1. Canvas full screen display. Toolbar. Page index are floating displayed. Click on page index again can make them hidden. 2. Toolbar operation and content are the same as lesson preparation. Demonstrate course or use whiteboard software directly to assist in teaching. Annotation. Add notes by using current tools bar. Select. In software operation, if you want to operate on any object, firstly, you have to select the object. Single click on Select button on toolbar. The mouse will convert to arrow select status. Now sweep the selected object. 4 corners of the selected object will show function button. Then the object is selected. Shown as Figure A, page 20. After having selected multiple objects, the attributes of the operation objects become common, shown as Figure B, drag cloning. Select Drag Cloning Item on the Object menu of the object. After setting Drag Cloning Item, the mouse moves on the initial object. When the mouse becomes cross-shaped, multiple cloned objects can be produced via mouse dragging. Order. Used to change more than 2 object hierarchy relationship. The hierarchy relationship change can be done via the function of right menu, including move up, move down, move to top, move to bottom. User can hide currently selected object. Page 21. Flip. It is used to flip currently selected object horizontally or vertically. Mirror. User can use this function to mirror currently selected object. Lock. Lock currently selected object, the position of which cannot be moved. Visibility. Page 22. Copy. Cut. Cut. Copy item can be selected on the Object menu of Currently Object to Cut or Copy Currently Selected Object. For example, if cut operation is selected for the selected object, the object will be cut. Then lower right corner of the page will show Paste, Clear Item. Select Paste to paste the selected object. Linked. Select an object to set hyperlink. The user can open file, open URL, open text, jump to a page of whiteboard, also can open tools like curtain, spotlight, magnifier, calculation, microcourse tool, shown as.